Why is my portable AC not blowing cold air?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing why your portable AC might not be blowing cold air and how you can troubleshoot this common issue. We'll dive into a few potential causes and their solutions, so you can enjoy a cool and comfortable environment once again.
Is your air filter dirty?
Firstly, let's check the air filter. If the air filter is dirty, airflow can become restricted, causing your AC to not cool as effectively. To check this, turn off and unplug your AC unit, then locate the filter. If it's dirty, clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions and allow it to dry completely before reinserting it. Remember, it's a good practice to clean your air filters regularly, at least once a month, to ensure optimal cooling performance.
Is your AC overworked?
Secondly, it's possible that your portable AC might be overworked. If your unit is too small for the room it's cooling, it may not be able to properly cool the space. This could lead to it running continuously and not producing cold air. To fix this, make sure you're using the correct size AC for your space. The size of the AC should correspond with the square footage of your room. You may need to invest in a larger unit or add an additional one to effectively cool larger spaces.
Is there a refrigerant leak?
Thirdly, your AC might not be blowing cold air due to a refrigerant leak. Refrigerant is the substance that your AC uses to remove heat and humidity from the air. If there's a leak, your AC might not have enough refrigerant to cool the air effectively. If you suspect a leak, contact a professional HVAC technician. They'll be able to safely locate the leak, repair it, and refill your refrigerant to the correct level. Note: DIY refrigerant handling can be dangerous and is against environmental regulations in many areas. Always let a professional handle it. These are some of the most common reasons why your portable AC might not be blowing cold air. By checking the air filter, ensuring the AC is properly sized for the space, and having any suspected refrigerant leaks professionally checked, you can help your unit perform at its best. Remember, regular maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your AC unit. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and stay cool.